Today we are practice Ashtanga Surya Namaskara and 4 asanas. Samasthiti. Ekam inhale Urdhva Hastasana. Dve exhale Uttanasana. Triyeni inhale Urdhva Uttanasana. Chatvari jump back Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Hold for 5 deep breath. Look at your navel. Breath should be longer and deeper. After 5 breath, now inhale Sapta Urdhva Uttanasana. Ashto exhale Uttanasana. Nava inhale Urdhva Hastasana. Dasha exhale Samasthiti. Surya Namaskara bhi Samasthiti. Ekam inhale Utkatasana. Dve exhale Uttanasana. Triyeni inhale Urdhva Uttanasana. Chatvari jump back Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Sapta right leg forward Virabhadrasana. Ashto exhale Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava inhale Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. Dasha exhale Adho Mukha. Ekadasha left leg Virabhadrasana. Dvadasha Chaturanga Dandasana. Trayodasha Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha Adho Mukha. Hold for 5 deep breath. After 5 breath, Panchadasha jump forward Urdhva Uttanasana. Shodasa exhale Uttanasana. Saptadasa inhale Utkatasana. Ashtadasa Samasthiti. First asanas. Utthita Trikonasana. Spread your leg. Inhale. Raise your both arms at shoulder level. And exhale. Hold your big toes and look at your left palm. Hold for 5 deep breath. Breath should be longer and deeper. After 5 breath, again inhale, come up. Now practice other side and exhale. Hold your big toes and look at your right palm. Breath should be longer and deeper. After 5 breath, again inhale, come up. Parivratta Trikonasana. Exhale and hold. 5 breath. After 5 breath, again inhale, come up. Now practice other side. Here also 5 deep breath. Now inhale, come up and come to Samasthiti. Now practice Utthita Parsvakonasana. Spread your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Inhale, raise your both arms at shoulder level. And exhale, Utthita Parsvakonasana. Hold 5 deep breath. After 5 breath, again inhale, come up and exhale. Practice other side. Here also hold 5 breath. Breath should be longer and deeper. Now inhale, come up. Parivratta Parsvakonasana. Exhale and hold. Inhale, come up. Now practice other side and hold. Breath should be longer and deeper. Feel the stretches in your body. After 5 breaths, again inhale, come up and exhale, Samasthiti.